Hey guys, welcome back to Parker's Garage. Thanks for watching. I wanted to share with you real quick why you should change out your clutch even though it's like brand new if you're running a stock setup. As you can see, my clutch plates, these are the old ones. You can see that these are like brand new, and the reason being is Sportster stock have what they call the grenade plate, and once that goes, it is bad business. It's going to cost you a bunch of money that you didn't need to spend otherwise, that you could have solved with a $220 kit that comes with the clutches, the tool, and everything you need to do the job. Now, this is my first motorcycle ever, so I've never worked on motorcycles, and if I can do it, if you have somewhat mechanical knowledge and you can follow videos and stuff, you'll be just fine. I watched Hammer Performance's video, and excellent video, covers everything you need to know as far as like adjusting the primary chain tensioner back, clutch cable, the I don't even know what you call it underneath the derby cover, but he goes over everything in depth. Excellent video, easy to do, simple, great vid. But I went with a kit that DK Custom sells. They give you a 15% stronger spring. They give you extra plates so you can eliminate the grenade plate, aka spring plate, out of your stock setup, which you should do that immediately. It has brass rivets in it that's known to fail. A lot of people have failures from 5 to 15,000 miles. I'm at 9,400, I think, 9,500, somewhere in there. So I just wanted it out ASAP because I didn't want it to cost me thousands of dollars over a $140 clutch kit that solves the issue. With everything, when you buy the complete kit, it's $220, and that comes with everything you need, tool included, made in USA, Energy One tool. Works great, man. When I did mine, I ended up having to order a new clutch cable as well. I got a black steel braided one from DK as well. Can't remember the manufacturer on this one, but hopefully I won't have the same problem I had prior to this. When I went to do the job, I collapsed the adjustment down and it wouldn't release the tension down here, so I had to cut it, remove it, and carry on. Otherwise I'd have never known. The minute I collapsed it, I could see down here the cable itself was pulled out of the barrel right there. Otherwise you'd have never known it was bad. Also, when I cut it and turned it upside down, quite a bit of water came out of there. Now, how water got in there, I really don't know. Probably from the bad crimp on the end there would be my guess, but that's neither here nor there. But like I said, watch Hammer's video, covers everything. And as far as like the new clutch now, definitely better. Definitely engages a lot better. I'm very happy with the new setup now, that's for sure. Another thing you probably wouldn't want to order yourself too, since you're ordering, if you go with DK, are these bolts right here. These are breather bolts. They're the only ones that make them. They have a mesh screen right there. There's a little foam filter that sits in there. It eliminates blowing oil, the blow by, into your intake and burning it. So while you're there, order yourself a set of these. These are $50 and you'll be good to go. It doesn't dump oil all down your bike or nothing like that. I mean, if you overfill it like crazy, it's a possibility, but I don't do that, so I haven't had an issue yet. And I'm just happy to get rid of that stupid setup of blowing oil down my intake, causing all that crap buildup. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. So if you got a Sportster running a stock setup, man, get that stock clutch setup out of there ASAP. Don't cost yourself a ton of money that you don't have to. I'd rather see you save your money and put it in your pocket and buy whatever else you want, But thanks for watching. Till next time, take care.